Hello, and welcome to my topic presentation, Sharia, Enforcing Islamic Law for FD Int 211, Week 5, Andre Sagdamani. Sharia. What is it? Sharia is law that is based upon the actions of the Prophet Muhammad, the words of the Prophet Muhammad, reading of the Quran, and is more a set of principles than codified law. Sharia can tell you what you can do, how you can do it, and where. What does it cover? Sharia law covers personal, civil matters and behaviors, public, what we do, where, and to whom, private, how we act, think, and behave. Courts have a lot of leeway in the interpretation and application of Sharia. Sharia law is subject to interpretation. It is able to override civil law, family law, and municipal laws. There's no Supreme Court to appeal to. Judgments can be punitive or biblical in nature, i.e., stoning or death. Sharia law is based on religious interpretations of those items mentioned previously. The interpretation can be affected by the person judging and their personal views, affected by the people involved. It is not guaranteed to be the same in each case, and there is no appeal to the judgment provided.